minutes like you can,
Yes.
if you want to take a selfie, uyakwazi ukuthi kube khona i-flash
Ilight nje
emnyameni.
phambili ku-selfie.
Kulaka nje noma 500k.
You know, like,
kulaka nje muzofikela igama lami ka-music bar.
okay. Agcwele mfi. What is up, my name is Kanye Kanza, Kanye Silemo Khan's child. We're still outside with Honor and they're launching their Honor 600 Lite. We're out here playing e-pedal. I'm standing here with Unaledi. How are you?
Eyaphela imillionaire.
That's like good. It's been a while.
Ngigana nje ngihlala ama-million.
Yeah, namabhinyana. No, bosiyaplela phela Naledi nathi sole.
kulaka nje noma 500k.
You know, like,
kulaka nje muzofikela igama lami ka-music bar.
okay, ngizothi zu. Ngizule nje ngathi akunani yakusenzakalile. Nale you outside with Honor namhlanje na iphone entsha. Kuthiwa inetoshi la phambili ku-selfie and it has a camera AI feature. Nezinye izinto eziningi nje.
2 minutes like you can,
Yes.
if you want to take a selfie, uyakwazi ukuthi kube khona
ilight
i-flash
nje
emnyameni.
phambili ku-selfie. It's really
I
great,
didn't know,
right?
I only know this one.
Yeah, on the
Iyakwazi ukuthi yise kwi-camera.
Yes, that one as well. Manje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena ke, if you were to add a feature as a musician, as an artist, ezokusiza nje ku day to day yakho, unga-add ini mhlawumbe?
Athi ngbo. I was gonna add okay. Am I okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Take your time.
I was gonna add which feature?
Like your own, yes, like a studio.
No, not really studio, because it's nabo suno bo my AI music, so asinandaba naleyo. I was gonna add but I forgot. Okay, athi ngibona ke enye bengizo-add ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-track inumber ukuthi but iya-track inumber. Okay, ngikwazi ukuthi ku-WhatsApp umuntu.
Yeah.
But iyenzeka leyo nto leyo angazi
Noma ungabona ukuthi ene like umuntu mayikhuluma manga. Yes.
Leyo nto leyo nje ukuthi nje yakutshela ukuthi tiding mayikhuluma manga.
Ngiyakuzwa kakhulu mina. Ngiyakuzwa kakhulu.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Naledi. We appreciate you. Please give a shout out to Yana Lyrics and Honor.
Shout out to Maz, shout out to Yana Lyrics, shout out to Iona, shout out to Papa Akuna.
Shout out to Naledi, everybody.